Hi friends! Everyone, I am going to be reading a book today about dogs. Now I want you to meet my dog, Chichon. Everyone say hi, Chichon! Hola, Chichon! And I want you to meet my friend's dog, Tucker D. Dronin. Everyone say hi, Tucker! Now, today's book is going to be all about my favorite thing in the world, dogs. Come on over, mister. I want you to be part of the video. Dogs Are My Favorite Things by Judy Hindley and Margaret Chamberlain. Wherever I go, I look for dogs. Dogs are my favorite things. Big dogs, small dogs, long dogs, tall dogs, any dogs and all dogs. Do you like them too? Who here likes dogs? Raise a super quiet hand. I do. Boys, do you want to participate? Tucker, do you want to raise your hand? Do you like dogs? Chichon, do you like dogs? I love every single kind of dog. Slick, neat show dogs, old, very slow dogs, dogs that just sit around all day, dogs that waddle, dogs that work, and dogs that play, and dogs that race, dogs with a little flat squashed up face. I know a dog that has a little squashed up face. Chichon, do you want to show them your little squashed up face? Oh, there it is. Dogs with little pointy ears that twitch at every sound. Dogs with flippy floppy ears that almost touch the ground. A poodle, a pug, a bulldog, a beagle, a big sleepy sheepy dog, a dog that's like a rug. I don't care what kind it is as long as it's a dog. Wow. Sometimes when I go outside, I see all these different breeds of dogs. Dogs in a shop, dogs in a park, dogs in a house, and dogs in the dark. Dogs in a group, dogs in a crowd, dogs that are gentle, and dogs that are loud. Woof, woof, ruff, ruff. Barking dogs, playing dogs. Oh no, look at these dogs playing jump rope and another one playing with a doll. Uh-oh, this one's eating the newspaper, and this little guy here is playing with a car. Walking dogs and talking dogs. I wonder what those dogs are saying to each other. White dogs, brown dogs, yellow dogs, clown dogs. Oh, there's not really any clown dogs. Tall, slim, spotty dogs. Snotty dogs, dotty dogs, goony, loony, crazy dogs, fat dogs and lazy dogs, freckled, speckled, dottle dogs, knotted dogs, and spotted dogs, slim, lean, bear dogs. Huge dogs. Oh my goodness, look at this very, very big dog. He is huge. Can everyone say huge? Square dogs, hairy dogs, scary dogs, bouncy little merry dogs, dogs that hunt, dogs that herd, and dogs that howl at the moon. Oh! I really do like all of them, but one of them would do. Wow, that was such an incredible book, friends. I love that I got to see so many different dogs. Now, I know some of you are going out for walks with your parents. Let's see if you can find a different dog. And then maybe you could take a picture and send it to your friends, or you can send it to me or your teachers. Alrighty, friends, let's say bye to our 2 dogs that are joining us today. Tucker, say bye-bye. Chichon, say bye-bye. Uh-oh. Oh, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bubba. Come here, Tucker D. Uh-oh. Gang's all here. Bye, friends.